You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, how to pronounce in English. For more vocabulary that is confusing, stay tuned. More onomatopoeias. How to pronounce G, having trouble hearing. G, can you hear it properly? Let me know in the comments. Can you pronounce it? How did you pronounce it? G? Do you pronounce it G? Let me know. Or it's generally in English, G. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.